Hello students, today we will discuss about blockchain. So in this era of digitization, the technology is likely to have the greatest impact on the next few decades is here. It's not about social media, machine learning or even artificial intelligence. It's all about cryptocurrency such as blockchain or Bitcoin. Let's start by asking ourselves, what is a blockchain? Why should you care about it? Unlike traditional method, blockchain enables peer-to-peer transfer of digital asset without any intermediary. It created to support cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. It was technology originally created to support the famous cryptocurrency Bitcoin. The blockchain by itself has taken a life of its own and permitted a broad range of application across many industries, including finance, healthcare, government, manufacturing, and distribution. So blockchain is a underlying technology that facilitates transacting in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. One can define blockchain as a public ledger that records all the transactions. Each block of transaction connects to another block. It is hard to define blockchain in a single line. It is a technology that runs Bitcoin. As the name states, it is a chain of blocks. That means block carries digital information here. So what are the applications of blockchain? Blockchain is used in many application areas. It transforms wide range of applications including goods transfer, example supply chain, digital media transfer, for example sale of art, remote service delivery, example travel and tourism, platform for decentralized business logic, for example moving computing to data sources, and distributed intelligence, example education credentialing, distributed resources, example power generation and distribution, crowdfunding, for example startup fundraising, crowd operations, for example electronic voting, identity management, for example one ID for all your lives function, and government public records and open governing. Moreover, blockchain can enable an inclusive economy. It can enable a person in a remote corner of the world to partake in a democratic process. Opportunities for innovative applications are endless. There is a dire need for critical thinkers, designers, and developers who can envision and create newer application models on blockchain to benefit the world. So, two major contributions of cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, are continuously working digital currency system, and a model for autonomous decentralized application technology called the blockchain. So a model for autonomous decentralized application technology called a blockchain. Bitcoin enabled an innovative platform for peer-to-peer transfer of value without any central authority. A mysterious person called Satoshi Nakamoto introduced a new digital currency, a cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. Bitcoin enabled an innovative platform for peer-to-peer transfer of value without any central authority. With no central authority, how did Bitcoin realize trust and security? So by implementing software programs for validation, verification, consensus in a novel infrastructure called the blockchain. So we'll summarize that. What is a blockchain? Blockchain is about enabling peer-to-peer transaction in a decentralized network, establishing trust among unknown peers, recording the transaction in an immutable distributed ledger. Now what do you mean by immutable? So blockchains are immutable, that means once data has been written on it, it can't be changed. This is all about introduction of blockchain along with their applications. Thank you.